guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a quick one. I'm just back from an impromptu Coles shop. Normally I go to Woolies, but Coles was closest to Kmart, so here we are. I have two heavy bags. I only took one bag with me, which was really intelligent, and then also some loose stuff as well. So we're gonna do a grocery haul. That was the longest intro in the world for something so simple, but let's go, let's jump into it. All right, let's do these loose things first. Got some rolls, grabbed a hot chicken. You would think this was pretty straightforward and we were just having chicken rolls for lunch. However, we are not. I saw a video by, oh my goodness. She's amazing and her name is completely come out of my brain, but she's very funny. Anyway, she did like this easiest chicken slider, barbecue chicken slider thing. She did them with dinner rolls. I didn't see any, so I got these, but I'm gonna try that. So that is what the chicken and the rolls are for. So those are staying out because that's for lunch. I also grabbed some more sushi paper stuff. What's it called? Yakinori? No, I don't have the right accent to be talking about this. But grabbed some more sushi rolls, paper, whatever. Also got some more sushi stuff as well that we will get to in time. Also, this stuff is way better than this stuff. This came in a like delivery and they didn't have this, so they replaced it with this. Don't like it. This one's better. In my professional opinion. Gluten-free tortilla Dorito-like things that are not Doritos. Just the Mission ones. I was grabbing stuff for tacos for dinner tonight. We're having a lazy meal day today. But I saw these and I saw the gluten-free thing. I'm trying to replace as many things as I can with gluten-free options, as you guys know. So I grabbed these alongside just this salsa that goes with it. I am a bit of a sook, so we get mild everything. So these things, more taco sauce for the tacos tonight, taco seasoning for the tacos tonight, and a whole lot of sauces. Oh, I also got more sushi rice. Again, I prefer the Sunrise brand. This is the brand that they replaced one in that same delivery thing. It's okay. It's not, I prefer this one because I find it when you're washing it, this takes forever and this is quicker. So Kai's having a big drink, apologies. Anyway, sushi rice. I really need to do a pantry organization video because I am not showing you in there. It is a disaster. I grabbed a whole lot of sauce, like bottle things to restock the pantry because we are running out. Sushi seasoning. There was a whole lot of like little sauces with things on them. So this I can win an ultimate 6-day foodie adventure to Japan. I never win anything, so I highly doubt I will. But anyway, sushi seasoning. I also grabbed some more soy sauce. I got just the regular kind and the dark kind. There was one that I bought when I first went on my sushi making journey that was like, I googled like what's the closest to that's in the little fishies, and apparently it's dark soy sauce as opposed to regular. And I bought one and it was phenomenal, and then I cannot remember what brand it was that I bought. So now I'm just trying them all again to see if I can find it because there's ones that I've bought since I have not liked at all. So Kai, out of the kitchen. Anyway, soy sauce. This one. I don't like this one very much. Also got some more sweet chili. There's multiple ones that we like. I like one that's slightly hotter. Evan prefers this one, so soy sauce. That's not soy sauce, sweet chili sauce. And I got a giant thing of barbecue sauce. Do we use barbecue sauce often enough to justify this? No. However, I can't remember if I showed this online or not, but I got the like clear things. So I'm gonna do a barbecue sauce one as well. So easier to just refill it from a big container. Plus the chicken thing that I saw requires a decent amount of barbecue sauce. So using it. Oh, I forgot to put these away. Did I say I got seasoning? I think I did. Although now that I'm looking in here, I did not need it, so that's great. I have a taco mix, which if you have not seen my spice rack video, you can't see it very well there, go check it out because I love my spice rack. It's amazing. Let's quickly fill this one up. There we go. Nice and full. All right, that is the Coles bag done. Now onto the bag that I have about 20 of, and I only ever bring one with me. Lettuce. We get the little baby cos lettuces because I don't know, I prefer them. Blueberries. They are not ludicrously expensive at the moment, so I grabbed some to put on my like cereal oat stuff that I have in the morning. 1 capsicum. I love red capsicum. Any like food related video haul that I've done recently, I have probably said that exact same thing because I get them every single time. So, peaches. I also have those little like mesh bag things as well to take with me. Never bring them either, so more plastic, just yellow peaches. I didn't get too many, I got 5. Evan goes through fruit like no tomorrow, but I wasn't sure how they are at the moment, so I only got 5. Bananas, tomatoes. The strawberries were either 1 packet for like $4.95 or something, and it was 350 grams, or 3 boxes of the 250 grams for $5. So, yeah. And 2 avocados. Is that all? Yep, that's it. So, my total for today was $89.66 for all of that, and I saved $2.84. Yes, yay. That's it. I will do an update of how this goes, and I will link to the video that I watched this morning during my like doom scroll. So I will link that below so you guys know what the heck I'm talking about, and I will also before I finish this video do a little update on how these went. So let's get to making lunch and then I can end the video off. Moment of truth. Okay. Evan liked them, so for his reaction.
Oh, good.
They're good?
Yeah, very hot though.
Very hot.
Yeah. They're actually really good.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. No, very nice.
Was that long enough? Probably. Anyway, let's try it. Ah. Okay, the roll is really crunchy. That was all bread. Okay, ready? That's not bad. I feel like it's missing something, but I don't know what. But it's pretty good. It was ridiculously easy. I could not, for the life of me, find the video that I originally saw, so I just did it from memory. So I don't know 100%. I definitely think, and Evan agrees, as you maybe heard, it'd be better with the dinner rolls because they're just a bit big, and if you don't like crunchy things, the bread goes very crunchy. These were soft rolls, and it's like, it's crunchy roll now, which is fine. I do prefer soft textured bread though, but pretty good. For a very easy roast chicken meal, I rate it. It's pretty good. This one looks delicious. This one looks like Instagram worthy. I can't get a good angle on this. Yum. Anyway. Okay, that's it. Thanks for joining me for these random weird little grocery haul slash barbecue chicken slider things. I think that's what she called them. If any of you randomly happen to have seen the video, please let me know who it was, because I cannot remember. Hopefully by the time I've edited I find it and remember who it was. But they were pretty good. Grocery haul is always fun. And that's it. I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!